Big bank, take little bank. Big bank, take little bank.
What's up, guys? So today we're gonna do, well, just me by myself. We're gonna do a mukbang. This is small now. Can't really see it. My teeth is not here. This is like my second time. April! This is like my second time. Yeah, apologize. It was hot.
You want ice?
No. Why is it like that?
Or you better turn it off. Waste not, want not. You need beers. You want a beer?
Yeah.
Real cute.
Psych. Okay. Whew, hot.
Oh. That piece all make it good, though.
I don't shopping today, guys. I don't shopping. Got you. And this. Ugh. Oh God. And we got this in here. Wait. Oh, but this. So me and my teacher's gonna do this. And our next video, so be ready for this. Hopefully hopefully we succeed. That was gonna be a pair of shoes, but I only had like, well, I ain't gonna say how much I had, but I had a little bit, like only like $6 less than what I needed to give me a pair of shoes. I was gonna get some Vans, but they didn't have it, so I was getting some Converses, but I was short on a little bit of cash, so. But I'll get it next time I go to the mall, so yeah. And I was thinking about getting the Japanese snack box, but I didn't. So, oh well. But I'll get it next time when I go there. I want to send Kim out some more, but I don't know where I could put it at. Alright, I'm backing up so much. Oh yeah. Me and my teacher was supposed to do a them little cookie things. I don't know if they saw the mackerel something like that. We're supposed to do that, I think today. But I was with her. So I don't know, we're gonna do it. I'm kind of scared. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 5. So 6 pieces. For the second time eating Papa John's and life. Because we don't even eat Papa John's. My mom really bought Domino's. But I'm with my auntie right now. My birthday, guys, my birthday was on Wednesday. It passed. So I just been at. Full and tired of chewing. I can't do that. Mm. But yeah, like, couldn't post, not really post, but like, well, I'll be busy. I don't know about her, but I'll be busy for like every day after school, practice, practice. And like on Tuesdays, I practice every day. And then on Tuesday and Wednesday, Tuesday and Thursday, I go from one practice to another practice. And like, I don't go home like really at all. The time I go home was like, I go home for like an hour or 45 minutes, and then after, go to the park because my cousin had practice. And then from the park, I just wait up at the park for like 20 minutes, not even that, like 15 minutes. Go and then go straight to practice. So like, I really don't have time to like do stuff really. And then I also like I play 3 sports, but I didn't really. I play basketball, volleyball, and I do all star. But like I didn't really start basketball yet because I'm still in volleyball season. But we already started basketball practice, and he already knows that I'm on the volleyball team. So like I don't really do basketball right now until volleyball season's over. And I got a game on Monday. Hopefully we win. So yeah, we had a game. Varsity had a game yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. But yeah, that's just a little update. And I need to subscribe, bro. People need to subscribe and watch these videos.
This is the face of a man watching college football on an 82-inch Samsung QLED TV. A man who didn't have a mustache when he first sat down. Captivating color, gripping 4K, 82-inch Samsung QLED TV. Some cashback cards send you on a journey to get your bonus cashback. First, they make you sign up for bonus cashback, and it's only on a few categories. And when those categories change, you gotta sign up again.
About food. What did I eat today? Oh, I had grits this morning and biscuit. And then around 2 o'clock, I had some fries. No. Yeah, around 2 o'clock, I had fries. Sorry, with some pizza. Went to eat her fries. Yeah, that's all I ate today. Really, like, really fries. Cause your girl don't eat meat. I ordered pizza, so I didn't get Burger King. I can't eat that Burger King but fries. So, yeah. I was gonna vlog soon, but I was like, nah. Alright, 2 more though. Woo. This is heavy as heck, bro. I feel like when I picked it up and bought it, it wasn't this big. I feel like it got big over time. I was in the store, and when we got home, Yeah.
Here it is. Absolutely. You talk about the Vietnam War, Martin Luther King Jr.
Oh my God.
I'm pretty sure it's really
Oh.
funny shirt was written. Okay. I like something that's not something to me. Yeah, I don't blame you. Something signed like this, if you really sign it, is pretty rare. His views on the Vietnam War, he was told, don't publicly speak about it until he just couldn't hold it anymore. So then he started speaking about it. I mean, a pretty famous speech where he finally came out against the Vietnam War. When you talk about historically significant pieces, this is something definitely excited about. So, if your signature, well, the first thing I do want to look at under magnification is a nice oxidized aged ballpoint pen. Slide it in stock, and there we go right there. Pretty indicative of what you would expect from this time period. The ink's aged very nicely, definitely on there, definitely ballpoint pen. So the next thing I do want to look at is some examples of the signature from the period, some stuff I have on file. His autograph always has a slight right lean to it, kind of has a slow drag and just flows right through it perfectly. He connects the king and the junior. Again, we see the same thing. So great aged ink. It looks awesome on this piece. The signature is absolutely perfect. I don't know if you actually have a better looking piece. Okay. What do you think it's worth? The fact that this is so significant having to do with the Vietnam War. This is easily a $12,000 piece. Okay. Totally. Thanks for good to see you. There's no doubt this is a great buy for the shop because the collectability of Martin Luther King Jr. remains strong.
Oh my God, I'm full.
So,
What a smell this.
I know you gotta make some money on it.
Stinks.
You can go to
Ew.
McDonald's. You can tan
It's like the juice is on there. Ew. Ugh. Can't do it.
Wow, this is amazing. I remember this. This was like the big deal. Back in the day at the Disneyland Hotel, this was really the only form of entertainment after you left the park. And so everybody would congregate to this, and you would actually be the skipper of the Jungle Cruise. I mean, there was nothing better than this. This is actually kind of amazing here because these were basically bumper cars. I mean, if you saw these out there, they didn't have much interest in making them
I think I'm done, guys. I think I'm done.
to see how many other boats they could crash.
It was 6.
Yeah, it was.
I can't even talk.
They crashed around. I can't
It was on 6.
Do they have like different people in them? They did. All of these figures were hand painted to make them look realistic.
It was on 6 little slices and 8. 4.
This is probably the most complete one I've actually seen.
Got 2 more left. I don't think I can do it. I don't think I can do it.
I actually had
I was bored.
at the facilities when these were retired. And this is it. Sadly, they decommissioned these and took out all the electronics and
Excuse me.
pieces and used them for other boats that they also operated. So they took all the guts out. They took
Okay, no, I can't eat no more.
and none of them worked.
I'm done.
Only a couple of these that I know of.
I would try, but I ain't trying to stuff myself to eat. So.
If it was done properly, it adds to the value organically. People love
But,
to run it again. Absolutely. I'd love to see it for runs. Where's the pool?
shoot. Okay, but, I'm done. You see, I feel pretty good. I had 2 slices left. So, yeah. I didn't think I was gonna eat that much, but I did. Maybe I could. No. Okay, my stomach hurt now. I can't do it. Okay, I guess I'm done. So, oh god. So the next video y'all see. Hold up. So the next video y'all see is gonna be me with my teeth. And we're gonna be doing the how the heck do I close this? Wait, there we go. We're gonna the next time I see you guys, we're gonna be doing my teeth. And we're gonna be doing that giant Rice Krispie challenge thingy. Oh heck no. So yeah, next time y'all see me, or the next time y'all gonna see us. Probably gonna be like sometime this week.
Don't be coughing. Don't be choking. That nasty Papa John's pizza.